Welcome to Clearco. Clearco is short for Clean Air Company. We help large businesses ensure clean air indoors in a very affordable and scalable way. Indoor air quality is a huge problem that all of us are facing on a daily basis. In fact, indoor air can be 3 to 5x worse than outdoor air. The biggest problem with indoor air quality management is that it is very capital extensive. That's precisely what we're solving at Clearco. Like any SaaS company, Clearco charges clients on a monthly basis, and we work primarily on 3 principles: affordability, accountability, and measurability. Clearco's unique zero capex clean air as a service comes with 3 important parts. Number 1 are the IoT-based air quality monitors, IoT-based air filters, and UVGI systems. Talking about the air quality monitors, they measure particulate matter 2.5, PM10, volatile organic compounds, carbon dioxide, amongst other parameters. All of this data goes to our platform, and our AI engine and other patented algorithms help us understand precisely when the filters need to be replaced or cleaned. Our systems also help us integrate with the building management system and control the fresh air intake as and when required. All this data goes to our servers and is displayed on this dashboard. In this dashboard, a facility manager can see what the air quality in real time is across all their portfolio. He can also see when did Clearco change or clean the filters in which air handling unit. This is where the measurability part comes in for facility managers. Clearco's technology works on measuring, analyzing, and then based on that analysis, taking actionable insights on what needs to be done and exactly when. Clearco's AI engines also help our crew do the maintenance work through this mobile app. In this mobile application, the crew can understand exactly where and when the filter needs to be cleaned or replaced. Apart from scheduling, this mobile app also helps Clearco understand and double check if the work has been finished up to the standards that we expect. The state-of-the-art image classification algorithms also help us identify if the filters were cleaned appropriately. Clearco's low-resistance air filters help us retrofit with little modification in existing systems with zero air conditioning downtime. Our IoT-based UV systems reduce airborne transmission by around 99%. These have been designed specifically for the pandemic-hit world. Post the COVID-19 outbreak, the demand for indoor air purification has grown multiple times. We have also seen substantial growth over the last 18 months, with growth over 30% month on month. Over 50% of our revenue comes from repeat customers. We usually sign a 5-year contract with our clients where our clients pay us on a monthly subscription basis. It's pretty much like any SaaS business where we charge based on the size or volume of the space. We believe clean air is a fundamental right, and we currently help around 500,000 people breathe better air daily. Our vision is to provide access to Clearco Air to over 500 million people by 2025. We look forward to your support in realizing this. Clearco, cleaner air guaranteed.